Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science. To truly excel, begin by understanding the fundamental principles rather than just memorizing facts. Active engagement is key. Try to connect new information with what you already know. Regular review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, can significantly improve retention. This approach helps build a strong foundation, making complex topics much easier to grasp and remember over the long term. Active learning transforms passive reading into meaningful understanding. After reading a chapter, summarize it in your own words, perhaps in a 100-word paragraph. Make flashcards for essential terms and formulas, reviewing them daily for 10 minutes. Teaching a concept to a friend or even explaining it aloud to yourself can reveal gaps in your knowledge. Visual aids like diagrams, illustrating processes with 5 to 10 steps also greatly enhance comprehension. Problem solving is central to science. When tackling problems, don't just look for the answer, understand the method. Work through example problems step by step, perhaps solving 3 to 5 per concept. Identify the core scientific principles at play in each question. Practice a wide variety of problem types, dedicating at least 30 minutes to practice daily. Crucially, analyze your incorrect answers to pinpoint where your understanding faltered, learning from every error. For lasting knowledge, consistent review is paramount. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 1 hour every week, to revisit previously learned material. Employ spaced repetition for challenging topics, reviewing them at increasing intervals. Test yourself frequently with practice quizzes, aiming for at least 10 questions per session, to gauge your retention. Joining a study group of 3 to 5 people can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult concepts, solidifying your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.